Guys, welcome back, and what you have here in the instructions is it tells you that you use this little tool here to remove the props and then install that little cage looking thing that we were talking about earlier. I'm hoping, oh my god, this whole thing just popped right out. That's not the intended, that's not what I intended to do. And that is not going to help with putting this on. So, the tool that came with it is not all that good for what it's for. I think it's just easier to pull these things off without trying to bend the blade, but I guess you don't really have a choice. Boy, the motors come out real easy on this thing, and I'm not liking that at all. In the previous one that I had, they have these plastic bits here that kind of hold the motors in place, so when you mess around with the propellers, they don't just come out like that. So I'm not liking this. Alright, good. Alright, so let's not get these mixed up, because I noticed that on drones, when you do that, boy, I'm just going to have to do this by myself and then come back here. But it's nice that they label the blades. This is an A on the right and this is a B on the left, so that you put them on properly later on. So thanks for watching, and in the next video I'll have this all set up.